regular day in Alaska.
Never does it any justice. I mean, you can film it through a phone, whatever. It's just spectacular. That you launch into the air. Still winter up here. One of the last passes before we make it to Anchorage. Beautiful Alaska day. Look at these views. Mountains all around. Turn again. And then you get these guys rolling down the freeway.
Why does that beam hang back like twice the length of the truck? Because if you don't put it like that, it'll rip the wrap out of the truck bed. Another day in the life of Timothy and Matthew Ozerkon. Here, here. It's a good day. It's always a good day.
I need to document this in case your appendix or something is going out. So I just look over at Matt and I'm like, dude, you look a little pale. Look at him. What do you see?
I'm getting stomach pain. I have like massive stabbing pains in my stomach.
Yeah.
I gotta get some power here
Before you call it, call it. Well,
my lips do feel a little funny though.
Yeah. Something don't look right. What else? Can you smell burning feathers?
No.
What other symptoms do you have?
I just feel like somebody's taking a knife and continuously jabbing people's stomach.
Yeah, I think your appendix is going out.
7 of them.
Dr. Schellinger? Dr. Schellinger. She's up there wood chipping. We have to go pay a visit to the doc. We'll take your blood pressure. That's beautiful. Woo, that's perfect. Truck number 3. These lumber prices, they're crazy. They're crazy. Which is why
We bought more lumber.
well, no,
Oh, I thought it was just plywood boxes.
we bought parts to a kiln. We already have a sawmill, and we are building a kiln so we can dry, well, mill, and dry our own lumber with how crazy expensive pricing is.
It makes sense to buy this instead of buying lumber. Because this
Exactly.
is cheaper than buying lumber.
Cheaper than buying lumber, and you're left with an asset and not a liability,
And we have these cool boxes because I like boxes.
which we're going to be using for storage. For all of the sawdust customers we have. Oh, and then we bought a wood chipper, and some of it's going to be wood chips for the fuel for the wood boiler that we bought as well to power the kiln. 750,000 BTUs.
That's like hotter than...
It's a Binford boiler. There it is, bro.
That's beautiful.
There it
Look
is.
at that thing. That's as wide as...
Oh, the truck just covered it up. Sneak peek.
Man.
The truck moved away again. So that's a piece of our puzzle right there.
You gotta close it back up.
It's fine. It adds for the intrigue and the suspense.
That's the last piece of the puzzle.
It's not. The building isn't there yet. It's not. You still got a foundation to do, but that is our heat source. That is our heat source for our kiln and everything else that's being built. It will heat up to 20,000 square feet.
You know what that means, right?
It's gonna be warm. Here's the plan. Gonna try to pull it off with the crane. This is the maximum that crane is rated to handle. So, green machine, come on, don't let us down. Don't let us down.
Watch that corner. Hold on, Tip.